everyone. Welcome back to Be Fluent in English with Luna and Elio.
We're absolutely thrilled you're joining us today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English with Luna and Leo. This is your cozy space to learn English that's simple, practical, and easy to use in your real life every single day.
Hey everyone, I'm Leo. Welcome back, and a special welcome to all the new learners joining us from around the world. We're so happy you're here, spending your time learning English with us.
Leo, before we jump in, let me ask you something real. How have you been lately? Work okay? Life feeling good?
Yeah, not bad. A little busy, but overall, pretty good. You know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so the vibe feels a little different.
True. Speaking of that, let me ask you a real question. Do you like Valentine's Day?
I think it's okay. I'm not crazy about it, but I do like the warm feeling it brings. What about you, Luna?
Same here. I don't think Valentine's Day has to be this perfect, fancy event. Sometimes it's just a normal day with a little extra love sprinkled in.
Yeah, I think a lot of people feel exactly that way. So let me ask you this. Is Valentine's Day important to you?
Good question. Maybe not important, but I think everyone needs a little warmth and sweetness sometimes. It's a nice chance to talk about love, feelings, and relationships. What about where you're from? Do people celebrate it a lot?
Some do, some don't. Couples, single people, friends, everyone has a different feeling about it.
Exactly. And today, we're not talking about complicated grammar rules. We're talking about how to talk about Valentine's Day in real English. Simple English, honest feelings, things you can actually say. So relax, listen, and speak along with us.
And before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe to our channel.
All right, let's get into today's lesson.
Let's start with a very simple question people often ask. What is Valentine's Day?
For most people, it's just a day to celebrate love in a simple, natural way.
That sounds very real. Not a dictionary definition, just what people actually say.
Exactly. When you talk about it, you don't need long explanations. Simple English is more than enough. Here's another question learners worry about. Is Valentine's Day only for couples?
No, not at all. Even though many people think that, it's broader. Some celebrate romantic love, some celebrate friendship, some even think about family.
Right. For some, it's a date night. For others, it's just about feeling connected. And that's why this English is useful. You don't need big words, just clear, honest sentences.
Say enough so the other person understands you. That's how English works in real conversation. Now let's talk about a very common question people ask. Are you single or are you in a relationship?
This question sounds simple, but many learners feel nervous answering it. The good thing is there's no right or wrong answer. You're just talking about yourself.
Exactly. So let's start with natural answers. If you're single, you can simply say, I'm single, but I'm happy. This sounds confident and relaxed.
And if you're in a relationship, you don't need to explain. Just say, I'm in a relationship. Simple, clear, and natural.
Another question. Are you going out for dinner on Valentine's Day? And if the answer is no, that's completely okay. Just say, I don't have plans on Valentine's Day. That's it. No pressure.
The key is your tone. English should sound easy and comfortable, not serious. Valentine's Day is just one day. Both being single and being in a relationship are totally normal. Speak honestly, speak calmly.
So, Luna, Valentine's Day is coming up. What are you doing?
Nothing too special, actually. I'm going out for dinner with someone close, just to enjoy the evening.
That sounds nice and relaxed. Any other plans?
Not really. After dinner, I'll probably just go home and take it easy.
Honestly, that sounds perfect. I don't feel the need to do too much. How about you? Any plans?
We're staying home and watching a movie. Nothing fancy, just spending time together.
That's actually very sweet. Staying home can feel more comfortable. If I'm really tired, I might just relax and do nothing at all.
Doing nothing is still a plan sometimes. Let's look at the English we just used. These are common questions. What are you doing on Valentine's Day? Do you have any plans?
And natural answers. I'm going out for dinner. We're staying home and watching a movie. I'm just relaxing. Your sentences don't need to be long. Short, clear, and honest is enough.
Luna, when Valentine's Day comes up, do you usually give gifts? Sometimes, but I don't feel pressure. For me, a gift doesn't have to be big or expensive.
What kind of gift do you like?
Simple gifts. Something small, thoughtful, and meaningful feels much nicer.
I feel the same way. A small gift can say more than something expensive.
Exactly. Chocolate, flowers, or a handwritten note. The feeling behind it matters more.
And sometimes it's not about gifts at all, right? Spending time together is more important. Having dinner, going for a walk, just talking. Those moments feel more real.
They don't cost much, but they mean a lot. Let's look at that English. People ask, do you usually give gifts on Valentine's Day? You can say, I like simple gifts. A small gift is enough. Spending time together is more important. These sentences are natural and honest. English isn't for showing off, it's for sharing real feelings. Simple words are often best.
Valentine's Day makes people feel different things. Luna, how do you usually feel on Valentine's Day?
Honestly, it depends on the year. Some years I feel happy and warm. Some years it feels like just a normal day.
That sounds real. Do you ever feel stressed?
A little sometimes, especially when people expect too much. Expectations can make things heavy. And there are days I feel a little lonely too. And that's okay.
That's very honest. A lot of people feel the same way. Valentine's Day doesn't have to feel perfect. It's okay to feel happy, lonely, calm, or nothing special. Feeling normal is also a feeling.
Let's look at simple sentences you can use. If you feel good, I feel happy. If your feeling is mixed, I feel a little lonely. If the day feels ordinary, it's just a normal day for me. These are short, clear, and easy. You don't need big emotional words. Just say how you really feel.
After talking about feelings, I'm curious. Do people celebrate Valentine's Day the same way everywhere?
Not really. It's very different. In some countries, it's a big deal. Gifts, dates, photos. In other places, it's much quieter. Some people don't celebrate at all.
How about in your country? Is it a big thing?
For some people, yes, especially young people or couples. For others, not so much.
That makes sense. It's not one rule for everyone. Valentine's Day looks different, but the idea of love is kind of everywhere. That's nice.
Before we get too serious, let me ask you something fun. Have you ever had a bad Valentine's Day?
Oh, wow, yes. It wasn't terrible, but it was awkward.
What happened?
We met but didn't really know what to say. We just sat there, smiling and drinking coffee in silence.
Oh no, that kind of silence.
Exactly. Not angry silence, just awkward silence.
I've been there too. One time, I prepared a gift but forgot it at home, so I spent the whole night explaining the gift instead of giving it.
That's actually kind of funny.
It is. In the moment, it felt awkward. You see, Valentine's Day doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes the awkward moments are the most memorable. Later, you laugh about them.
So if your Valentine's Day feels a little weird, that's okay. You're not alone. It can become a funny story.
Valentine's Day isn't just about what we should say. Sometimes it's about what we shouldn't say.
Yes, that's very important. Is there anything we should avoid saying?
Definitely. Words can hurt. Even simple sentences can sound bad if we're not careful. For example, you look tired today. Maybe not the best thing to say.
Right. You might not mean anything bad, but it doesn't sound romantic.
Or asking, is this gift expensive? That can feel uncomfortable. Valentine's Day isn't about money. It's about feelings, attention, and being kind with words. Simple, gentle English is enough.
Valentine's Day English doesn't need to be impressive. It just needs to be thoughtful. Sometimes saying less is better.
Leo, what words do people use the most around Valentine's Day?
The first is always love. It's a day about love. I want to show my love. Then date. Do you have a date? I'm going on a date.
And when two people go together, we call them a couple. They're a cute couple. Of course, romantic. It's a romantic dinner. We want something romantic but simple.
Then there are gifts. I bought a small gift. I don't need a big gift. And we can't forget chocolate and flowers. I got some chocolate. Flowers always feel nice.
Notice something important. We didn't just list words, we used them in a real sentence. Love, date, couple, romantic, gift, chocolate, flowers. When you use words this way, they feel natural. That's real-life English.
All right, everyone, let's try a real conversation together, the kind people naturally have.
I'm ready. Let's just talk.
So, Valentine's Day is coming up. Do you have a Valentine this year?
No, I don't. But honestly, I feel pretty calm about it this year.
That sounds nice. So, what are you doing tonight?
Tonight, I'm staying in. I've had a long week, so I just want a quiet night.
Same here. Staying in feels good sometimes. Are you watching anything?
Probably a movie or something light on TV. Nothing too serious. How about you? Going out or staying in?
We're staying in too. Maybe cooking a simple dinner and just talking.
That sounds really comfortable. Sometimes that's better than going out.
Yeah, I agree. Do you usually feel anything special on Valentine's Day?
It depends. Some years I feel happy and warm. Some years it feels like a normal day. How about you?
I think I feel relaxed now. I don't feel stressed about it anymore.
That's a good place to be. Valentine's Day doesn't have to look a certain way.
Exactly. Whether you're single, in a relationship, going out, or staying in, it's all okay as long as it feels right for you. And that's what real conversations sound like.
Now we're curious about you. Is there someone special in your life this year, or are you single? What are you doing? Going out, traveling, or staying home? All plans are welcome.
If you feel like sharing, leave a comment below. Tell us about your Valentine's Day, your plan, your feeling, or a small warm moment. And if you're single, who knows? Maybe in the comments you'll meet someone special while learning English with us.
Talking, sharing, and feeling a little less alone. That's what Fluent English is about. Before we say goodbye, we have a small wish for you.
No matter where you are or your situation, if you have someone special this year, we hope you feel deeply happy with them. Even if things aren't perfect, we hope you create simple, meaningful memories together. Moments that feel real, warm, and true to you.
And if you're single right now, we hope you feel fully happy in your own way. Enjoy your freedom, your time, and the quiet moments that belong only to you. Love yourself, take care of your heart, and enjoy this chapter. Being single isn't missing something. It's being whole, just as you are.
We wish you warmth, happiness, and peace today and every day. English becomes easier when it's real, when it comes from your heart.
So keep practicing a little every day and be kind to yourself while learning.
If you enjoyed learning with us today, please like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English with Luna and Leo. We're learning together, step by step.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.